I didn't plan on filming anything today, but then this arrived. This is my Street Team box from Katherine Graham for, let me get the book, for The Vow That Twisted Fate. She over the course of a couple months, I think it was, the first one was maybe March. I got the book in February. I became a part of the Street Team at the end of January, beginning of February. And then for the couple months, March, April, May, June, July. So yeah, 5 months. She hosted like little competition / giveaways. And she would make us a Street Team box, and then at the end of the run up to the release day, she would mail them out. And I was like, oh, it probably won't arrive until maybe January, February next year. And then it came today. I wasn't expecting that. I was in the middle of eating my lunch, which is why I look like this. Like, I was not expecting to have to film anything today. Okay. Right. Hold on. Before I open this, I will one last time say a huge thank you to Katherine for letting me be a part of this. It was an incredible opportunity, and I can't close the knife. I'm just going to leave that there. I will forever remember it as one of the coolest things I've ever done. And go and get your copy of The Vow That Twisted Fate, because it's amazing. Oh, and by the time this comes out, my book club will have been announced, and February 2022 book club, we're reading The Vow That Twisted Fate. So if you want to sign up to that, the link will be in the description. Yeah. Okay, I'm really excited. I'm just gonna dump all this stuff on the floor. Okay, first thing I'm seeing is a t-shirt. Oh, it's my Street Team t-shirt. I'm not going to show you the sticker that's got the size on it, obviously. It's so pretty. Hold on, let me take this off. There we go. My t-shirt. So it's got, can I do this? Hold on. Maverick, Alina, Talon, Elsie, Maedra, and Valara. And then that's Elsie and, not Elsie, the White Queen and the Dark Queen. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, if it wasn't halfway through the day already, I'd totally change into that. Hold on. It's really hot in my room. Whew. Okay, next thing I see are stickers. I love stickers. I like putting them on my notebooks. A little sticker with something written by Katherine. Oh, that's my magnet. Oh, it's a magnet. With that's the same picture that's on there. So it's like a bit of a better look at it. So that's a magnet. That will be going on the fridge so that my entire family and anyone that comes to visit can stare at the gorgeous artwork. Ooh, it's like a little, that will be used as a bookmark. That will be used as a bookmark. It's like a little thing with the cover on it. It's such a beautiful cover. And then I have, I have a sticker with my badge on it. My badge is Maedra, because she's my favourite character. I love her. And yes, I know she's the villain, but I still love her. And then we have character art stickers. So we've got Elsie and Talon. Princess Elsie and Prince Talon. We have Queen Alina and King Maverick. So pretty. They're so beautiful. And we have Queen Valara and Sorceress Maedra. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. Where will I put them? Where will I put them? By the way, I'm doing this for you guys, and then I'm going to show my parents. My mum's at a work call, so I'll probably wait until after that so I can show them all at the same time. My dad answered the door to the postman, and I was just sitting at the table. I've been doing some outlining at the moment. And he came in and he had like a face, and that face kind of scares me a bit, because you never know what he's going to do. And then we pulled the box and I just saw the words Katherine D. Graham, and I was like, oh! And then was like, I've got to go and film this because I said I'd film it so that I could put it on my YouTube. So yeah, they don't know. Can she get it down? No. I might need to go and ask my dad to help me get that down. I'll be right back. There's a button you have to push. Of course there is. If I keep it out, I'm going to break it. By the way, this bubble wrap will be going to my sisters because my family have some weird addiction to bubble wrap. We all love it. It's a candle. It's a candle. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. What's that? Arlena's Palace. Oven baked bread, thyme, and YAIN. Yine. Oh, so that's the she had like a Katherine had a poll that went up about candles. She got like custom made candles, and I can see the rest of them in there. And you could pick which one you wanted to be the candle for, the official candle for the book. And she ended up, there was one that won, and then she ended up putting the two others, I think, that had the most votes. So there are 3 of them in there, and then this one obviously didn't win, which was the oven baked bread, because it's just in a plain thing. But it's this one's oven baked bread, thyme, and I think it's yine, YAIN, and it's Arlena's Palace, and it smells amazing. Oh my, it smells like bread. It smells like bread and thyme, and I love it. So I can see more candles, so I'm going to open this one. This one is The Dark Dimension. Read the book if you want to find out what that is. And it is rose petal, black cherry, and myrrh. And it's sparkly. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Sorry, the sun just came. I can smell it from here. It smells amazing. Oh, so good. That's beautiful. And it's like a really pretty pattern as well. I don't know if you can actually like see it. Sorry, the sun has literally just come out. It's been hiding behind clouds all day. And of course, as I pull out the shiny stuff, it decides, oh, we'll pop out and say hello. I'm not complaining. I'm not going to complain. It's nearly winter. Okay, this one is The Lattice Cafe, and it is old books, Lily of the Valley, and Cedar? I can't remember which one I voted for. Might have been this one. That's the really pretty. Okay. Ooh, it's green. Look at it. It's really nice. That's. Oh, it's so good. It smells amazing. It smells so good. Okay. Last one. This is the Keeps Temple Mahogany Campfire. Yeah, mahogany, campfire, and incense. The Keeps Temple. Okay. Oh, it's orange. Look at it. It's really pretty. That's really nice. Which one's my favourite? Let's see which one is my favourite. Okay, we'll smell Arlena's Palace first. That's quite a specific smell. That's very specific. Like, if you're not a fan of cooking bread, I'm not sure you'd like that one. That's the Dark Dimension. I'm really worried about getting glitter on my nose. That's the Lattice Cafe. And that's the Keeps Temple. I think the Dark Dimension is my favourite, and not just because of all the glitter. I don't know what it is about that. I think it might be the black cherry in the smell. I will definitely be using these while I'm writing over the next like months. And I see a book. Some more bubble wrap in there. More bubble wrap for my sisters. I'm literally saying to myself, I might ask for another copy for Christmas or my birthday. No, I don't need to. So thank you, Katherine. Ooh. Oh, and it's got like a little like, I don't know what you call it. I'd call it a bookmark. That's just me. And she's signed it. I'm not going to show you what it says, because that is personal. Aww. Well, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting for this all to come so quickly. I'm not kidding. I was expecting it all to come within the next like couple months. It's a bit different. Like, I was expecting it to come maybe around January, February, like I said at the beginning of the vlog. So that was a really nice surprise. And I hadn't been feeling great today either. I've been having a bit of a hard mental health day, so that's made me feel so happy. Aww. So yeah, that's it. That's everything I needed to do for the street team. It feels sad that like it's, you know, it's not over. It'll never be over. I've made friends doing the street team. I've met some incredible people. But yeah, like, you know, it's sad. It feels a bit like saying goodbye. Which I know it isn't, but, you know, I'm dramatic, so, yeah. Aw. Right, well, go and get The Vow That Twisted Fate. I will leave the Amazon link, the link to Katherine's bio, and not the link to Katherine's website, and the link to her Instagram, because I would really suggest following her because she has a lot of cool stuff that she posts. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much, Katherine, for asking me to be a part of the street team for Vow. It's been an incredible experience, and I can't wait to see how the future treats this book. I cannot wait to read your next book, The Starfire Express. I honestly, every time you post something about it, I just kind of get more and more excited. Even though I know it's not coming out till next year, I can't help myself. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I will see you all next time. Bye!